If you just got your DJI Mini 4K and you're not fully confident flying it yet, this video will show you exactly how to take off, control, and land, step by step. And if you want the full beginner guide with settings, tips, and checklists, you'll find the link in the description below. Let's start with preparing the drone. Unfold the arms, front arms first, then the rear ones. Remove the gimbal protector. To turn it on, press the power button once, then press and hold. Place the drone on a flat surface facing away from you. This makes controlling direction much easier. Now for the controller. Screw in the control sticks if they are not already attached. Press the power button once, then press and hold to turn it on. Mount your phone, connect it using the cable, and open the DJI Fly app. Wait for the app to connect to your drone. If you haven't set up your drone yet or want to see what's included in the box, check out the setup video linked in the description. To take off using the app, tap the takeoff button on your screen and confirm. The drone will automatically lift and hover at a low height at 1.2 meters. You can also take off manually. Move both sticks inward diagonally to start the motors, then gently push the left stick up to lift off. Let's start with basic movement. Using the right stick, move left and right to slide the drone sideways. Keep your movements small and controlled. Here's what it looks like in real flight. The left stick controls altitude. Push up to rise and pull down to descend. The left stick also controls rotation. Move it left or right to rotate the drone in place. Here's the rotation movement in action. At any point, releasing the sticks will stop movement and allow the drone to hover steadily in place. You can also press the pause, return to home button to stop the movement at any time. You can control the camera angle using the function button. Pressing the function button will quickly tilt the camera down and back up again. Here's how that looks like from the drone. Using the right stick, push forward to move forward and pull back to move backward. Keep movement slow and controlled for better results. One of the most common beginner mistakes is moving too quickly. Small, gentle movements give you much better control and smoother footage. To land, tap the landing button on your screen. You'll see two options, return to home and land. Select land to bring the drone down where it is. Before landing, make sure the area underneath the drone is flat and clear. Once confirmed, the drone will slowly descend and land automatically. Always keep your hands away from the propellers. Take your time, practice these movements, and you'll quickly build confidence flying your drone. If you want the full beginner guide with all the settings, tips, and checklists, you'll find it linked in the description. And in the next video, I'll show you how to create smooth cinematic shots using these same controls.